Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to send BUSD from Bitmart to your Ledger Nano X. If you're into crypto and want to keep your assets secure, this is a must-know process, especially with the evolving landscape in 2025. Let's get straight into it. I'll walk you through each step so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Bitmart account with BUSD in it, your Ledger Nano X device fully updated and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Oh, and always double check that your Ledger is on and unlocked. Security is key in the crypto world. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets section. Find your BUSD balance there. Next, click on Withdraw for BUSD. This will prompt you to enter the withdrawal details. Now, for step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app since BUSD is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Go to Ledger Live on your computer, connect your device, and get the receive address for BUSD. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Back on Bitmart, paste the Ledger address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything twice, then hit Confirm Withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email, and Bitmart will process the transaction. Once it's sent, keep an eye on your Ledger Live app. The BUSD should appear in your wallet shortly, depending on network congestion. Pro tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication to avoid any hacks. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your BUSD to your Ledger Nano X. This keeps your funds safer offline. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.